Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marcus here with your outlook for April 28th, 2015. And we're going to start off with some morning clouds, probably very early in the morning. They're going to quickly give away to partly cloudy skies, maybe mostly sunny, but as we get through the course of the day, at least toward the end of the day, then we're going to be looking for mostly clear conditions overnight. But this is a result of this system finally moving away. Okay, it's out of our picture here, but it's moving off to the east and will continue to do so. Just want to touch on the satellite here. This is a projection from the NAM high res. Just looking at the satellite here, the lighter colors here indicating the cloud cover. As you get into the darker colors here, that's showing where the clearing is going to be taking place. So this is a look at 6 a.m. and 8, and you can see it's starting to break up a little bit by the time we get to late morning here. We're in these we're in the blacks here, so the blacks would indicate that we are in at least partly cloudy skies. A few puffy clouds coming in here as we get into the afternoon, but other than that, it should be just a partly cloudy afternoon, becoming mostly sunny, and then eventually mostly clear overnight. So this should be improving today. And one of the things we're going to be dealing with today that we haven't had in a long time are temperatures that are at near normal levels for this time of year, and now near normal is in the mid to upper 60s. So we're going to have temperatures across the region in the mid to upper 60s today. I think we're going to get into a little bit warmer conditions tomorrow. We actually might break 70 in several locations. Not just the southern areas either. We should get to close to 70 degrees across our central areas as well. So we'll be a little bit warmer again on Wednesday. Wednesday we're looking at a mostly sunny day across the region. We are going to be watching the system to our south. We've been talking about this for the last couple of days. Over the course of the last couple of days, models have been going back and forth in disagreement with what the evolution of this system is going to be. And that's this system right here, making its way through the Carolinas here, the eastern Carolinas, I should say, and it is going to continue to do that. You can see here near the Outer Banks by Thursday afternoon, and the models are now trying to keep most of the precipitation out of here. If you look at the European model and the Canadian model, really are having no mention of any rain of any kind. But this is awfully close here. This is sitting right off of Hatteras, just due east of Hatteras, and a pretty strong pressure gradient here. I will say in this situation that this situation is set up, even if you don't get into any kind of steady rain out of this on Thursday, you're still going to have an east wind component, which is an onshore flow here, and you're also going to have an opportunity for a convergence zone to set up over in this area here, especially. So you could have a few isolated showers on Thursday, especially in the afternoon. And this is, most probably going to be a cloudy day for the most part here on Thursday. But wouldn't be surprised to see a few isolated showers, even though this particular model is not showing anything here, and everything's confined out here to the Ohio Valley and points southeast here toward the Carolinas in association with a low pressure system. I do think that you will have the onshore flow that will allow that marine influence to allow for some clouds and the opportunity for a few showers here in the afternoon on Thursday. I do think that we get into Friday and the system starts to pull away. You see, it's really not getting too far here in a hurry here, but it does move far enough east here that we should start clearing out. Might have a mostly cloudy day, we'll call it, here on Friday, at least to start. We might have improving conditions later in the day where we get mostly cloudy in the morning and then maybe partly cloudy in the afternoon, depending on how quickly this system moves away, how strong the system gets. A lot of these different factors will change the evolution of how both Thursday and Friday will unfold. So we'll just have to play it by ear until we get to that point. Right now, the best calls for this system is to stay to our south. You might just have that convergence set up over eastern PA and parts of New Jersey here that will allow for at least, the very least, a cloudy day on Thursday and perhaps a few showers in the afternoon. Going a little bit further in time here, looks like Saturday and Sunday are going to be just an absolutely gorgeous weekend. Temperatures getting back to slightly above normal on Saturday and then getting into well above normal temperatures by the time we get into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week. So might even touch 80 degrees in one or two of those days. Early next week especially, probably in the mid 70s or thereabout on Sunday. But either way, it looks like a very nice weekend, a dry weekend, not expecting any precipitation, and then the next chance of rain is not going to come until we get into next week. That's going to be with a cold front, but we'll cross that bridge when we get here. That looks like it's going to be somewhere around midweek next week will be the next chance of precipitation beyond the isolated chance that we're going to be experiencing on Thursday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martridge, and that is your outlook for April 28th, 2015. Have a great Tuesday.